You are exhausted because you worship comfort. You wake up tired. You scroll. You delay. You tell yourself you will start tomorrow. You are not confused. You are undisciplined. If you feel stuck, if you start strong and collapse after a few days, this is for you. Watch closely. This is a diagnosis. Here is the question you avoid. Comfort is making you weak. Why do you protect it like it is sacred? The enemy is your modern mind. It chases dopamine. It avoids friction. It panics at boredom. Every notification trains you to quit. Every easy pleasure lowers your tolerance for effort. You think you lack motivation. You lack resistance to discomfort. The samurai solved this centuries ago. They trained in voluntary hardship. Zen calls it discipline of the body to master the mind. You do not negotiate with weakness. You starve it. Step 1. Remove one comfort daily. Cold water at the end of your shower. No phone for the first hour of your morning. Teach your brain that discomfort is normal. Step 2. Do one task past the point of boredom. Work 10 minutes longer than you want. Read 5 pages more. Sit still when your mind begs to escape. Step 3. Track your word. If you say you will train at 6, you train at 6. No excuses. No adjustment. You rebuild trust with yourself through action. Do this for 30 days. Your mind will scream, good. That scream is weakness leaving your system. What do you become after this? Calm under pressure. Focused without noise. Dangerous without aggression. You stop chasing motivation. You become the man who moves without it. Comfort will still exist. It will no longer control you.